What's up, everybody? Paul with Dragon Boost Racing. Got a little weekend trip coming up with a couple of the guys. Just a chill, relaxing weekend, cabin, shooting some guns. So hopefully I'll have some video from that, make a video out of, and then after that we'll get back to the car stuff. So we'll see y'all in a bit.
There has always been a fine line between rock and country music. And frankly, we've just about stomped all over it. It's your boy Jelly Roll, and I want y'all to check out Pandora's brand new station, Rebels Hard Rock Country. It's a station for someone who doesn't obey the rules, someone who resists labor, someone who just doesn't give a Rebels Hard Rock Country.
There's a house right here. Oh no, it's a fucking radio tower.
Yep, it's right alongside the fence. You having fun, Paul?
Hey,
Oh yeah.
So this,
look at that ladder, Ryan. Look at that shoe skin.
yeah, right. I ain't that drunk. Whoa.
Woo!
Where are we?
Look, that's gotta
County,
be,
dude.
that's gotta be the light to the house right there, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah, go left.
No, the house.
No.
No, the house is right there. That is the house.
That is not the house.
That's not the house, dude. That's not
No.
our house. That's the house.
No.
I can see my van. You want me to hit my fucking
No.
key?
Yeah, go ahead, hit your kid.
That's the house.
Is it?
Yes.
That is not the
it is.
house.
It is the house.
Is it?
Yes.
Oh, fucking Dustin fucking got eyes like a cat, son. Man, dude. All right, let's try the Hyundai next. Whoa, baby.
Whoa.
Yeah, that's why you got to be on that side.
Woo!
If that would have come and got me, that would have hurt.
Oh.
Nope. Missed it, dude. I'm rusty.
Get an extra show.
Oh! I'm gonna get one right. I just gotta get her down in here.
I don't know if I even hit her if it broke on a bridge.
Go ahead. So they're just too tight when they go in, so you gotta like
You suck,
get the edge of it. You ready?
jackass.
Jackass.
Alright. Because they don't get stuck in there. That's terrible, dude.
Wait.
Well, I promise, dude. Oh! Dang!
Maybe it's your zip tie sights. They're off.
Alright, let's go, baby. Pull!
Oh, you got it. I saw it break.
Workout becomes a victory. For me, becomes the epic journey.
Ready?
Here we go. Oh!
Damn! Hey, that one didn't break.
Unlimited skits and offline.
Damn, terrible shot. All right, last two in this one, and then I don't know. Oh, here you go. Yeah, so as it turns out, not too good at clay shooting.
Here you go, Paul.
I used to be better. I need a bigger shot spread. All right.
Boom!
Oh, so that's some clays out there. No, sir.
Nice soft grass out there. It'll break.
What about that one right now?
You know what it is? It's because they were orange. You need a white one.
Man, they blew that thing right to smithereens. Oh, wait, let's see what yours does.
That's what it is. It's the ammo.
Yeah.
That's the problem.
You got a whole another half a shot in yours.
I know the problem. Ain't got no gas in it.
I'll try sideways.
Ugh.
Wing that part hard. Nope. Didn't. It's always a good sign when the clay's cracked before you ever even get thrown. Alright, I'm gonna work on that side of the game. I might have to make it so funny. You ready?
Good. Oh!
Oh, I hit the tree. Alright, I'll do it this way more. I'll try to get out here more.
Oh!
That one's stiff. I'll just say that one's stiff.
Just throw with your hand.
Oh, hell no.
You gotta do it with this. Oh, that's why.
Ready? Oh. Oh. I don't know if you hit it or it broke apart.
I don't know.
I used to be able to. I think you could throw with your hand. Oh, you can throw with your hand. But this is just a. Oh. That thing's not that accurate, dude. You'll try to throw it?
It's hard to get it up.
Come on out here some.
I'm gonna throw it.
Okay. Oh, he's out.
Do it. But yes, at first, for sure.
Yeah, that was a nice flat one.
It's alright. See? Yeah, it's flat too. So, but then you can hold that one in, tip it on its side. Let that one register. That one come out. Cock it, it's loaded. Lay that one back in. Sometimes, I don't know why. White. Got a white one coming. I'm going that way with him. Did you see it hit that tree? Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, orange again. Hey, damn, that one hit a tree and didn't break.
That's probably what he probably hit it with the BBs and it didn't break.
All right, trigger pull. Trigger. Squeeze it. Now side pocket. There you go. What is it?
You should oil it. Have you oiled it?
I did. No, the zip ties are squeezing the trigger so high up in there. Like the trigger tabs that broke off lock it in a specific position. Now with the zip ties, it's above that position, jamming the slide from moving. That's all. There's not much we can do about it until I get a new trigger kit. Woo! Dude, I don't know.
Try this one, Ryan.
Maybe it's not on. Maybe it's not on the mark right now, dude.
Try that one. See if you can get one with that.
How's it work? Safe is on. So, yep, like one in the chamber already. When you're ready, push that down.
And it's automatic.
Yep, yep.
You know, hold it front.
Yep, on the grip in front.
Good God! It looks even bigger on Ryan reaching out like that.
Hang on. Alright.
Oh shit! I got you. Don't worry. Ready? Oh! Oh, you got it. Second shot. You ready? All right, hold your fire.
Go down and then rack it. Down. Yep, so go on the fire.
That's over 100 chances to level up your win. Plus, you'll earn fan cash on your bets, which you can use on anything at Fanatics. We're talking team gear, tickets, collectibles.
You can shorten it more if you want.
It's a lot better,
Fanatics
but
Sportsbook.
Click.
is that it?
Yeah.
Trigger two. Almost top left corner of that white target. Fucking first shot with a little direction. That is sick, man. For being so off.
You suck, jackass.
It went right through the center of the clay and didn't break it.
Did it really?
I can't say it looked like you missed because it didn't break. So
Well, keep that thing recording and go eat your own words on that clay, baby.
I ain't walking down there. You can't.
What you got here, boys, is a great fucking shot! Oh, baby, come back. Ah!
I don't think so either. I'm gonna shoot that glow in the dark one on the right guy.
Yeah, you made the glow in the dark on the left ball.
Oh, motherfucker.
Jan? All right, perfect time.
Why didn't I put any oil on it? I should have known.
Oh yeah, boys.
Hang on, hang on. Hang on. Good.
Aim down a little bit, cause those fuckers.
Good.
Freeze, motherfucker!
What the fuck are you doing?
What are we shooting at?
Just the targets.
The targets up at the top of the hill?
Yeah.
Alright. There you go. You get that.
Where are you? Oh. I can't say 1, 2,
Go.
3. Damn, you hit something. I saw wood dropping down there.
Yippee-ki-yay, motherfucker.
Damn. Nailed it. Nice. Oh, that was cool. I want to do that.
Anytime, any place, meet me in the trail. It's going down. Meet me in the mall. It's going down. Meet me in the club. It's going down. Anywhere you meet me, guaranteed to go down.
Yep.
I'm gonna sink this first cup. I get it. I didn't get it. That's right. He got all on video, dude. Don't worry. He got all on video. Back left. Oh, too high. Yeah, that one that was a singer, dude. You got the whole thing? Oh, dude, that was it, though. That's it. That's behind the back. Roll back front.
Get the top cup.
I'm a little crazy, but
Oh! Alright, back left.
Dude, I like this.
keep a loaded 44 sitting by.
Why didn't we play this ever?
Damn,
I've never
no
done
good,
that.
guys. No good.
I've never stacked a cup ever.
Well, like, I mean, think about it. Like, when you get good, like, right?
I did it! He fucking
It gets boring. You know, when you're just playing, like, say
No,
you
this
play
is
with
fucking-
Brian, like, for, like, every day.
This is fucking great.
Left, and you're pouring.
Left rear, here we go.
I like calling your cup because it means you're actually shooting. You know what I mean?
Skill.
What are you looking at? Just
Front top.
but some become the devil.
Everybody wants that easy one.
Left.
Ah.
See the kids, you're patient. Take the little ones first.
Now you could call the front.
I can't because it's not coming.
Left front. I mean left rear like I've been doing. I'm gonna stick with the tradition. Too high, a little lower. Ah, bitch. What are you looking at?
Top side.
Holding one goes missing, walking right down Main.
Good. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Crazy, but the world's ain't.
See, I like this. Who's this?
Morgan.
Huh?
Morgan.
Won't you get to know me?
Yeah!
You don't like
Huh?
Or you
I do like it.
this? Morgan Wallen.
I like Morgan Wallen a lot.
Look, I can't say I don't like it, but it makes me want to kill myself.
Well, that's the same, right? You like it, you want to kill yourself.
Yeah, you like killing yourself, dude?
We all do.
Yeah, the only thing keeping these tracks on the train.